Good morning, children. Welcome back to a very new and fresh session. Here we are going to start with our chapter number 9, that is the last chapter of your social science. So, you are all required to open your Discovering Social Science books to page number 107. So, here your chapter begins with continents. First, the name of the chapter, it is Our World. And here we are going to study whatever things are present all around the world on our globe. On earth, what things are present, we are going to study in this chapter. So first is continents. So what are continents, children? First of all, continent is a very large land, a very large mass of land on the surface of earth. So wherever the land is present, all these green color figures you can see over here, these are land surfaces. So all these land surfaces are known as continents. And small surfaces of the land which are smaller than continents are known as subcontinent. And India is one of the subcontinent as we have studied before. So continents are the large land masses on the earth. There are 7 continents in the world. So total, how many continents are there? Total there are 7 continents in the world. Let us find more about these continents. So what are the 7 continents? It is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Okay. So out of these 7 continents, we will study all about these continents. First of all, we will know which is the largest continent amongst all. You can see the size over here. The largest continent is Asia. And what is the smallest continent? It is Australia. So we will study all about the 7 continents. What are the name of 7 continents? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. So Asia is the biggest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. Now let's study. First we'll begin with Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. So you can be asked in the exam, dash is the biggest continent in the world. So you will answer with Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. The fourth largest country in the world, China, is also located in Asia. So fourth largest country in whole world, that is China, is also located in Asia. The 2 most populated countries in the world are India as well as China. China is the number 1 and India is number 2, which has largest population all around amongst all the countries. Okay, so very large population is in China and after China it is India. So Asia is surrounded by Europe in the west and Arctic Ocean in the north, the Pacific Ocean in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. So around Asia means around this green part in the north, it is the Arctic Ocean. In the west part we have seen Europe is there. Then in the southern part Indian Ocean is present and in the eastern part the Pacific Ocean is present. Okay. So Asia is surrounded by Europe on the west, then Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the east and Indian Ocean in the south. Since Asia is large in size, we find different landforms like mountains, hills, plains, rivers, plateau and deserts in Asia. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. So here we can find every form of land present. We can find mountains, hills, plains, rivers, plateaus as well as deserts in Asia. Okay. Now there is one etc. given over here. The world's 10 tallest mountains are found in Asia. World's 10 tallest mountains are found in Asia. These include the Mount Everest, the highest peak on earth. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? It is Mount Everest. It is also found in the continent Asia. Then next we move to Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. It is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the east, the Atlantic Ocean in the west. The continent has maximum number of countries. The map of Africa, this is Africa. So what Africa has, in the west side it has Atlantic Ocean, then on the east side it has Indian Ocean. A huge supply of world's gold and diamond come from Africa. So Africa is the main spot, matlab a huge spot for world's most gold as well as diamond. It has world's largest desert. So where is the Sahara Desert that we have read is the world's largest desert found? It is found in Africa. Nile also, in fact, Nile also, the world's longest river, is in Africa. As we have studied, it originates from South Africa. Okay. Now one etc. is given over here for Africa. Nigeria is the most populated country in Africa. So Africa में most populated country means the country with maximum population, where the human population is maximum. Where it is in Nigeria. Okay. Now let's study about the third largest continent, that is the North America. North America is the third largest continent. It is surrounded by Arctic Ocean in the north. Here you can see the diagram, children. In the north there is Arctic Ocean. If you see in the east side you will see Atlantic Ocean, and if you see in the west, means this part, the south as well as the west part are covered with the Pacific Ocean. North America has several types of climates. There are many types of climates in North America. Canada, Mexico and United States are the three major countries of North America. In North America there are three major, means big countries. What are they? Canada, Mexico as well as United States, means US. Now one etc. is given. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is a part of North America. So what is the famous thing about North America? That there is the largest island of the world. What is it? It is the Greenland. Okay. So children, in this session we are going to read till here only, and in the further next session we will continue with the remaining 4 types of continents.